Today we're going to talk about an automation project that automates our optical encoder module lead frames. So we used to have a person sitting here in a chair. One by one these would come out of the machine and the person would look at it, say is that good enough, and stack it in there, and they would just do that all day long. There's a guiding principle and it says we don't use people like robots. We give people robots to use. We designed this system here called the LIAS machine. The lead frame inspection automation system. And what that does is that everything that the operator used to do and more. So Steve, you can take it from here.
Lead frames come out of the punch press and enter a conveyor that leads to the LIAS system. There's a series of rollers that flatten the lead frames and a set of high pressure air nozzles that blow on the lead frames to clean them, and a vacuum system that sucks off all the debris. The next station is an inspection station that has a high powered light that illuminates the lead frames that allows us to see a silhouette and provides the information that we need to, that tells us if they meet specifications or not. If there are multiple rejects in a row, the system stops, alerts the operator can come and determine what's the problem or failure that's causing these rejects. And those that pass through this side into what we call a little flipper that takes the lead frame here and flips it up for our picker to pick up. If the lead frame is good, it is placed into the output cassette. Once the cassette is full, the table automatically rotates to the next position, and it continues doing that until all the cassettes are full. It takes about half an hour for the table to be completely full before the operator has to come back and give it attention.
It's 100% functioning, it's 100% working. Is there room for a little improvement? Yes, but it's already doing its job. The boat is in the water and we're sailing around and we're winning the race. So yes, we'll make it better and we'll make another one so we'll have 2 working systems. So Steve, good job. Good job to the whole team that has pulled this together.